Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a fire sword. And why is my game lagging? Yeah, forget about that. Before we start, first, you know the rules. Subscribe and like this video and slap that bell notifications to never miss another upload. Okay, so now let's get right into it. All you need is a command block. No, we don't need a block of redstone. I don't even know why that's there. Out. Nor do we need a Ravager spawner. You need a redstone torch and a regular diamond sword. I mean, we'll have to pick this up. It looks bad. Oh my god, game's lagging again. Wait, let me just spin the view around. Hopefully it's not lagging again. Yep, it's not. Now let's get started with the first command. This should be always active. It should be a repeat, and this one should be said enchant at P sharpness 2. Okay. Next you stand on the command and did I mention you had to get a redstone comparator? Sorry if I didn't mention. Red stone. Yeah. Comparator. Sorry guys, just a little bad thing. Yeah. So then you have to place the redstone comparator right there. Oh, sorry guys, just some difficulties. Why am I so dumb? I placed the redstone block. Why am I even holding redstone? Yeah, so place the redstone comparator right here. Then it's the big bad command. It might be very small to you by looking right here, but when you type it, it's really big. So let's see what it is. Execute at P this worm thing. Execute at E, bracket type equals to exclamation. Are you serious? Exclamation mark player comma type equals to exclamation mark item bracket close. Then you have to put this worm thing again, then fill this worm thing, then 3, this worm thing, then again a 3, then this worm thing, then again a 3, this worm thing, and then a -3. Then another, this worm thing, this again worm thing, and then it's another -3. Then all you need to write is fire 0 hollow. Okay, now let's go in this command. This one's very easy. It should be needs redstone repeat effect at P fire underscore resistance 1 space 255 space 2. Don't forget to put 2 at the end. It's a very common mistake because then your command's wrong. Then just crouch and place a redstone torch right here. Then place a command block right here. It should be an impulse and needs redstone unconditional. Then you need to do slash effect at P clear, and you have a fire sword. Now let's do it on my number 1 enemy, Ravager. I hate you, Ravager. This person once destroyed my house in a raid. Spawn. Voila! Stupid Ravager. Guys, just a minute. If the fire sounds way too loud, let me just turn off the volume for a minute. Yeah, I'm back, guys. This Ravager's still not dead. Let me just go in the fire and kill the Ravager. And even if you're fighting someone like who has a fire resistance potion, this sword will help you. It's totally fine if they don't go on fire. Like the Ravager's dead. Yeah. So if it's totally fine if they go on fire because they have fire resistance, and you don't really need to care to destroy them because all you need to do is just This diamond sword also has sharpness 3, as you see. You see right there? 10 attack damage it does. So it's not really a bad thing if that person does not go on fire. Okay? And I don't understand why do the Ravagers just stay there. Like, now if I hold my sword, you're dead. Oh no. So now, right now, if I was on survival, I wouldn't die to the fire because I have fire resistance. Voila. Okay. Should we try it on the Wither? The Wither's fire resistant. Yeah. I know you guys would want to try it out on the Wither. So let's do it. Now before that, I don't want my command blocks to break and then I'll just lose against the Wither. So, we always have Bedrock. One of my favorite blocks after Diamond block. And Emerald block. Emeralds are not really useful, but they do look good. Yeah guys, I don't want to bore you with all of this stuff. So I'm just gonna do the power of editing. Voila! Woo! I did it guys! Voila! It's Bedrock. So I did all of this. It took me some time, I don't know why, but let's just get spawning the Wither now. Oh my god, what is this glitch? Is this a glitch? Or did this sword just do something? You know what? Forget all of that. Now let's get, I always keep some soul sand and Wither skulls because I want to show you guys the Wither. I mean, there's nothing to see in the Wither. There's something. Are you? Yeah, that's some little difficulties. Are you serious? Yeah. And before that, don't forget to like and subscribe this video and slap that bell notifications to never miss out on another upload. Ready? Let's do the. Oh yeah, let's do the. Oh wait, let's do this. Oh my god, did I have to spawn him? I mean, there was some option that said, no, Sid, don't spawn the Wither. It's going to be dangerous, yeah. But I wanted to show you guys. So that's why I'm going to do this. Okay, guys, this with black. How much time does this Wither take to charge up? There you go, Wither. Yeah, I hit him. That did hardly any damage. It did a little. Pretty much did. Is the... No, Wither. Yeah, guys. That with this Wither is not gonna listen to us for some stupid reason. Are you? Is this a Wither? How can he be so smart? Are we even gonna kill him in this video? Or do we have to use the fancy commands? Oh my god, this dumb Wither. Die! Why does this guy take so long to die? Yeah, it explains why he's the most strongest Minecraft mob. Are you? This guy's gonna say, guys, bye. Guys, should I do the power of editing? Yeah, let's. Hello back, guys. Welcome back, guys, I mean. Yeah, the Wither's dying. Oh, I feel so good. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. Before I end this video, let me just clean everything up. That's where the... You know what? Let me just go here. Oh my god. Here. Are you serious? Oh, there. That's the water bucket. Now all we need is a sponge. SPO. Yeah, got a sponge. Yeah. So now let's just stop the game from lagging. Give water to every corner. And now put a sponge. What? What? Yeah.
That makes no
No
sense.
No physical sense made. Just forget about that, guys. Let's see first structure of the. Yeah, it's totally safe. Look at this whole mountain is destroyed. Wither. Crazy. Yeah, guys. Hope you like this video. Don't. Let me remind you again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.